What are some things you've read from that time? Is there some jokes? Is there some love letters?
There are one or two letters about from a chap to a woman about, you are very beautiful and your lips are like radishes and your ears are like walruses and things. But, I mean, there are some things like that. And there's a kind of street drama in Babylon in 4th century BC, something like that, when there must have been actors who did this in the street. And it's Marduk and Sarpanetum, his wife, and another woman. Marduk's having an affair with this other goddess, and Sarpanetum is jealous, and the women fight in the street and hurl insults at one another, and slop bucket and all this kind of stuff. It's hilarious, and it must have been a bit like a sort of Verdi opera without the music, I suppose. I don't know, but anyway, it starts off when Sarpanetum is in the room and Marduk is in bed with this other goddess on the roof, and she can hear. You could say it was an eternal human issue.
Yeah, love, heartbreak, jealousy, all of that.
And between deities also.
Yeah.
Because deities are only modeled on human beings after all. So.
Yeah, deities is a grandiose way of expressing human affairs, human behaviors, human ways. Yeah.
Indeed.